Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish.Academy. This is episode 423. It is Productivity Week at the FA, and I have created a free 3-part video series on how to gain clarity, get unstuck, and feel great about your schedule. It's available for a limited time. The link is below, and listen, I know that you are busy, so the videos are very brief and straight to the point. But in this video, we're talking about how to manage our time on social media effectively. Because for most of us as photographers, we need to be on social media in order to promote our business. So we maybe get on Facebook or Instagram to do something for our business, and then we kind of get sucked into the news feed or maybe the groups we belong to, and the next thing you know, you're watching ridiculous videos that have nothing to do with your business. So I have developed an approach for this for myself. Okay, number one is I get onto social media at scheduled times during the day, and I always have an intention and a time limit. Those two things are key, intention and time limit. So my intention might be to get in the FA community group and answer questions or post a thread or help someone, but then I have a time limit as to like, okay, maybe I'll spend 15 minutes on Facebook in the FA community or beyond that looking for something. But one of the keys here is you can change your link. Maybe you could create a shortcut in Google Chrome. In the bar, you can create a bookmark to go to Facebook, but not to your news feed. This is key. You could put in facebook.com/yourbusinesspage or FA community group or something that you find productive, rather than just going to facebook.com and letting your newsfeed pop up, because that's when you get sucked in. So if you do that and you have an intention along with a time limit and you stick to it, then you won't get sucked into it. And by time limit, I mean set a timer on your phone, on your watch, on your computer, use an app, whatever you need to do in order to kind of break that trance that Facebook gets us into. Or is that just me that starts scanning and reading everything? So the intention is key, the time limit is key, and make sure you're sticking to what's important. Okay, also, I would remove Facebook from my phone if I were you. I only have Facebook on my phone to do these live videos, and every weekend I remove it. I delete it, remove it, and I don't put it back on my phone until I need to do a live video. So we had a long weekend recently. Today is Tuesday. I put Facebook back on my phone a few hours ago when I started doing live videos, but it had been off several days prior. You can do that. And if you want to hit me with some type of excuse as to why you cannot, I would love to hear it because maybe we could debate that point. You don't need Facebook on your phone. And if I was just managing my photography business, I would absolutely not have it on my phone. But I do live videos as part of the educational process at the FA. So I put it on my phone when I need to do live videos. Now Instagram, I do leave on my phone, but again, I go on Instagram with an intention and a time limit. And if you follow me on Instagram at the Flourish Academy, then I added this productivity tip a couple of weeks ago. But what I have done is I've taken Instagram and I put it my 4th page in on my iPhone, so I have to swipe several times to get to it, and it's tucked into a folder with my email, and the title of that folder says, "Really?" ? Because that means if I want to go to Instagram, I have to swipe a whole bunch of times, and then I look at that folder and it says, "Really?" with a question mark, and it makes me stop and think, do I really need to do this? And yeah, this takes some self-discipline, but you know what they say in the AA? If you don't want to fall, don't go where it's slippery. And if it's your job to monitor these accounts, Cynthia's asking, then you just have to set time limits as to when you check it. So if you check it, at 10:30 in the morning and at 4 p.m., or if you can just get away with checking it once a day, I mean, you can set up limits for yourself and manage it so that it just doesn't suck you in and waste your time. I hope that you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video.